Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the top stories. Videos of honeymoon couples having sex in Goan hotels feature on internet. Porn videos claiming to be from Goan hostels appear on the World Wide Web. A Prudent Media exclusive. New mining policy of central government proposes 26% stake to locals in the mining unit. CM says mining industry to build at least 3 mining corridors for ore transportation. Government to float short-term and long-term tenders to solve power crisis. Ban on new power connections above 50 megawatt to be lifted within 2 weeks. Opposition blames government for failing to stop illegal mining in the state. Parrikar says government casual about tourism industry. Health Minister assures to get ventilators in GMC after the upgradation of the hospital. Parrikar highlights inhuman behavior of GMC doctors. And Churchill brothers have lined up best ever set of players, says club president Joki Alemão. Former I-League champions to sport new look in upcoming season. And now the news in detail. Prudent has gone a step ahead with the issue of sex website raised by Fatorda MLA Damu Naik. It is shocking but true. According to our information, honeymoon couples visiting Goa are being captured in hidden camera by some of the Goan hotels. That's not all. There is something more shameful. Naked videos of students staying in Goan hostels are freely floating on the internet. Here is the Prudent Media exclusive.
Fatorda MLA Damu Naik had raised the issue of sex escorts in assembly on Wednesday. We had highlighted this issue 1.5 years back, and today further intense investigation into the issue has revealed that honeymoon couples who visit Goa to spend their lovely time in the tourist paradise are captured in a hidden camera by some hotels in Goa. Later, these private movements of a couple are being put on internet by these evil traders. If one explores Google, there are a number of videos of honeymoon couples flashing all over without their knowledge. There are a number of websites which allow downloading of such videos. One can buy these videos and pay through a credit card. Some CDs are already in the market and are advertised on internet. This website shows that the price of this CD is $6.95. Name of the CD is Goa Hostel Mein Golmaal. This web page also gives information of the students who are involved in the CD. It mentions these people as the student of university. On another website, there is one more video named as Goa Hostel Private XXX. There is a full information about the CD. Minutes, quality, date of upload, category, everything. There is another CD which claims that it has been shot in a Goan hostel. It is sad to see videos of honeymoon couples on the net. They are not even aware that somebody is shooting them. Hidden cameras are being set in their rooms. In one case, there are naked photos of 4 honeymoon couples in different positions. Another video on the web indicates that the video was removed earlier and then uploaded again. This is yet another inducing thing in this window. There is a vulgar photo of a girl. The information next to this window suggests that this girl is from Fonda and she is ready to do anything with you. It also suggests that one can reach out to this girl with a single click of a mouse. The most shocking thing is that there is a MMS claiming to be from the Goa Medical College. It is difficult to confirm whether the students involved in the video are of the GMC or not. But this video is circulated all over through the net. The name and fame of GMC is already getting spoiled. Goa police have failed to take action against such activities in the state even after continuous expose from media. Everybody has neglected these dirty acts on the internet, and that's the reason these illicit things are on rise. It's high time we protect Goa's name and fame, else it is not too far that we will lose quality and dedicated tourists visiting Goa and the dignity of our younger generation. A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar.
New amendments proposed by the Union government in the Mining Act have suggested 26% stakes for locals in the mining unit. This means locals will be partners of 26% in the business. Chief Minister has announced in the assembly that mining industry will construct 3 mining corridors in the state for ore transportation.
Mining policy has to be really good. In fact, I would have declared it in this assembly. Unfortunately, during my last meeting with Mines Minister, he said that Centre is amending MMRD Act drastically, including they are thinking of giving 26% share to the stakeholders in the company which wants to mine in any village. I have just glanced through some of the references, and they say that any company who wants to mine, supposing somebody wants to operate a mine in Rivon village, villagers of Rivona will be entitled probably to get 26% stakes in that company. So this is the type of revolutionary changes they are going to bring into the MMRD Act.
Power Minister Alex Sequeira informed the House that government has decided to float 2 different tenders to purchase power and solve shortage of power. He said that government will immediately float short-term power purchase tender to purchase 100 megawatt power for next 5 years. Government will also float a long-term tender to control power shortage in future.
Ban, as we call it, is a temporary phenomenon. And I believe that within the next 15 days, things are improving. We should be able to lift it.
You are going to give?
Yes, because it is only a temporary thing. Because to meet the requirement, I agree again with what the leader of the opposition has said. In fact, just as recent as yesterday, the Chief Minister and I sat together and we have decided to go for a short-term power purchase tender for 100 megawatts. Apart from the Southern Grid.
Somebody is putting up a plant in Ratnagiri district.
Sir, but we require power immediately. Those plants are not ready. So we have decided to go in for a 4 to 5 year short-term power purchase tender. Apart from the Southern Grid, apart from the Western Grid. We also propose to go in for a long-term tender of 300 megawatts. That we believe would be sourced or supplied mainly by the new units that are in the pipeline.
की सेक्स आम्ही डिसायड केला आणि सेक्स एसोसिएशन मिटींग जाल्या की वर्सां तशें नाका म्हणून की जाता तितके बेगीन बिफोर सप्टेंबर म्हणजे ऑगस्टान फायनलायज करून दिवचें आनी जाता जाल्यार सदांच वर्साच्या वर्सा इन्क्रीज करची सेक्स म्हणून जी मागणी आहा हय ते ऑगस्टानूच दिवन काडपाची चिंतून आमी चड वेळ घेनासतना आनी जी वेकंट जागो आहा आनी ज्या जाग्यार पॉसिबल आहा थंय आमी थोडे हेजे कडेन CRZ हेजे कडेन मागल्या जर सँक्शन जायत जाल्यार त्याय जाग्यांनी पयलें हें दिल्या उपरांत मागीर ते कन्सिडर करपाचो विचार आहा.
Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar blamed the government for failing to take serious action to curtail illegal mining in Goa. He said that government is not showing enough seriousness in terms of tourism. He also blamed government for not taking immediate steps to solve power crisis in the state.
जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता टुरिजम सॅक्टरांच्यान आमी कितें जनरेट करतले रेप एज अ रेप कॅपिटल ऑफ द कंट्री एज अ ड्रग कॅपिटल ऑफ द कंट्री as a prostitution capital of the country, as a very expensive but dirty outgoing. The concerned departments are directed to take directed to take necessary action in connection to the violation as indicated above, as the mining was in full swing, again illegal. हांव अश्यो कितल्योश्यो केसी दाखोवंक शकता. म्हजे कडेन फूल चार्टूच आसा क्वेश्चनाक रिप्लाय दिल्लो. फॉरेस्ट, revenue, mining department writing to itself for violation but doing nothing. Nothing is happening. 82 cases of inspection. no serious action is taken. Sir, no allotment of electrical fixtures, appliances are made to MLAs, VIPs such as or government appointed. Allotment letter आयला, माल मिळून ना, आसपाची गरज ना. माल बरोचसो मिळून ना, थंय 3 काय 4 आयटम तातले भितर येवत ना. ते allotment letter कित्याक हे करता? Already electricity department is looking outside it. I don't know whether they have already, but I was told that they are trying to not buy from handicraft. No, you have issued order, I know. But are you sure that your orders will be followed by all your ministers perfectly?